Hi everyone, today we're gonna solve the lead code problem for 10 split array largest sum. The description is like this. Given an integer array nums and an integer k, split nums into k non-empty subarrays such that largest sum of any subarray is minimized, and return the minimized largest sum of the split. And it also explained that a subarray is a continuous part of the array. So let's see. The description is a little bit short, but it's also very complex when we first saw it. And this is actually a hard problem, so may need some time for us to think about that. So the num we want to return is the minimized largest sum of the split, and it didn't ask us that to return the subarrays, so that's a good thing. We only need to return a number, so that's a good thing. And since we say the arrays, there is an array, and also we wanted to find minimize the largest sum of the split, we immediately think about the binary search and the function problems. And let's see whether we can use that to solve this problem. So first we wanted to write the function. It will use the input. The x will be the sum of the split, and the y will be the k, which is the number of subarrays. And if we did that, we will get a function, and the line will be like this. And which point we are looking for? We are looking for this point because we want to find the minimize largest sum of the split, and also we wanted to make sure that k is exactly that number. So I will say this problem is exactly like we solved yesterday, like 10-11, that problem. And it's just the description is a little bit different, but for the algorithm we are using is just completely the same. And we also need to make sure the left and right range of the axis is correct, because for the left part, obviously the sum of the split, the minimum sum of the split will not smaller than element in the arrays, so therefore we need to do the iteration to make sure that it will start from the largest element in the array, and for the right point we will make sure that it will smaller than the sum of all the elements in the array. So therefore we need to make sure that the left and the right point will be in the range. Otherwise, for our fx function, it will be a little bit hard to deal with edge cases. And we also need to write the binary search in the main function. Obviously, it's like we will make the judgment to use our function, and based on the function we will move the right and the left pointer, and at the end we will return the left. And the time complexity is big O of log some num as well, and the space complexity will be big O